What is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. In this video, you will see us preparing for our journey to the Pomona Swap meet. Alright guys, so this far we got a lot of good stuff in the garage that we've come across. We have a bunch of lights from my old car. We have a bunch of lights in there. We have this stool right here for a barbecue. My old BMX bike. A garage band set. And some really good condition garage band guitars. So basically what we're doing and hoping to do with this and just sell everything and not have to come back with a whole lot of stuff in the truck. So wish us luck. We actually just remembered that there's actually helmets back here too. These helmets are all from when I used to ride BMX, which was a long time ago. So this helmet right here, this one right here is the last one we gotta grab, guys. Okay. So now that we have all the helmets, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 helmets all lined up. So I forgot we had more stuff over here. Got the lowrider bike. Here, let's come back over here and see what we got. So we have the lowrider bike back there. We do have some infinity rims that were on my mom's car that were actually featured on this channel. But so we got the rims, these rims, all 4 of them. We got my rims from my Civic. These are the stock ones that came on it. I'm showing a flashlight. So yeah, these are the rims that came on it. They're actually quite nice. They're really nice actually. So yeah. Okay, so I don't do any of those shout outs or anything. Okay, we'll do a pop tag under there. But basically, so what we're doing is we got all the stuff over here that we're gonna sell. So we have our lowrider bike, our brother's bike, and all this crap. So hopefully this all sells. Okay guys, so we're inside, so I have to be kind of quiet because I don't know if anybody is listening. But I have to go to my laptop and start editing, so I'm gonna go do that. And that is the end of the vlog.